What's up, guys? Monster Jam Avenger. Absolutely awesome. Get a good look. Oh, I wouldn't mind that one. Wouldn't mind that one. That looks cool. I like that one. Absolutely. Alright. Get this bad Larry out. See what we got. Alright. The Adventure looks like I'm gonna go with the 55 Chevy in steel. Everything else is plastic. Love the wheels. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. The Avenger. Wish they made a little bit like the engine's right there. You can see the pipes coming out. I just wish they did something a little different. That's all. I mean, it's really good looking, but not what I was thinking. Absolutely. But hey, good looking car. Thanks for watching.